Imagine waking up every morning in this home which is designed with elegance, comfort and modern luxury. Welcome to this extraordinary semi-furnished 4 BHK flat in this Aparna Sarovar Zenith. This is a massive 2660 square feet corner flat which brings you a complete blend of sophistication and luxury living lifestyle. Hello guys, welcome back to Shriyama Homes, where your dream home awaits. Today we are going to experience the ultra luxury home in this Nellagandla, which perfectly blends with the complete comfort, elegance and premium living. This is a stunning west-facing masterpiece, designed to impress you from every corner. In the heart of Nellagandla, where luxury meets peaceful lake views, rises one of the Hyderabad's most iconic gated communities, Aparna Sarovar Zenith. Spread across nearly 25 acres with 80% open space, this premium community features 30 majestic towers and over 2,400 thoughtfully designed homes. From a grand clubhouse and a resort-style swimming pool to sports courts, landscape gardens, yoga zones and kids play areas, every corner here is designed for elevated living. This is just located few minutes from the Gachibowli and the financial district, with seamless access to the top schools, hospitals, supermarkets and the ORR. If you're looking for the luxury connectivity and a vibrant lifestyle in this Hyderabad, this is where your next chapter begins. Now let's enter into this luxurious flat. The moment you step into this flat, you are welcomed with custom design interiors, premium finishes and a warmth which adds warmth and sanity to this home. In the entrance, this is your living area. Along with this, here you'll be having your Whisper storage unit. So the main thing are wooden partitions that doesn't block the openness from this living area and the dining area. Now let's head towards the dining area. This is your dining area. You can see how spacious the dining area is. And here in your dining area, here you'll be having your modular and premium fittings cupboards. This is the exact spot for you to spend your time with your family and friends. Connected to this dining area, here you'll be having a countertop wash basin, and here you have flower designed mirror. Overall, this gives an attractive look towards this dining area. Now let's move into the kitchen. This is beautifully designed modular kitchen. Gives you a perfect blend of luxury and functionality. Towards the side of your living area, here you have your dedicated puja area. This is the exact spot for you to meditate and have your morning prayers. Now let's head towards the master bedroom. This is your master bedroom. This master bedroom is designed thoughtfully for your private and luxury retreat and featuring the excellent interiors and the soothing ambient. Overall, the spatial layouts give you comfort and sophistication together. And here you have a connected washroom. In this washroom, we have the premium fittings, and here you have a place to put a glass partition. Now let's head towards the guest bedroom. This is your guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is elegantly designed by providing comfort, warmth, and privacy for your guests, therefore creating a welcoming space for your guests to make them feel as home. Here you have cupboards. Now let's head towards the kids' bedroom. This is a kids' bedroom. This kids' bedroom is designed thoughtfully with a vibrant and cozy atmosphere, overall creating your kids for better creativity, learn, play and grow. In this kids' bedroom, you have an attached washroom. Side to this dining area, you'll be having your parents' bedroom. Now let's move to the parents' bedroom. This is elegantly designed parents' bedroom, which gives your parents to have a peaceful ambience, and also here they have premium interiors, thereby giving them a comfortable and peaceful lifestyle. Connected to this parents' bedroom, we'll be having a washroom. Straight to this dining area, you'll be having your wide balcony. This is your balcony. In this balcony, you can stand and refresh and unwind yourself. Here, you'll be getting a beautiful and attractive views. Even this is the exact spot for you to enjoy your time with your family members and enjoy the city skyline views. For more details, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.